Hi, so today I'd like to show you how to assemble the radiators of the power transformer. Okay, so as you can see, first step, you have to remove the plates over here. Yes, all the screws. You remove, you put on the ground, and then you head this radiator. Okay, so next step, please watch over here. You have to remove the plate of the butterfly valve. Yes, it's right over here of the transformer body. So the next step, please watch over here. Now that's just exactly how we remove, after we remove the plate. Please watch this screwdriver. You have to keep this screwdriver inside. Okay, don't throw it anywhere. Just keep it over inside of this. So next step, as you can see, now we are moving the radiators. So connecting with the body of the power transformer. Please watch over here. Yes, exactly. Throw this screw. Yeah, so next step you can see, you just need to tighten the screw of the connection of the radiators and the power transformer's body tank. Yes, tighten the screw. Hi, so today I'll show you how to assemble the radiators of the power transformer. Okay, as you can see, the first step, you have to hand out this radiator. Okay, put on the ground, and then first step, you have to remove of the plate. Yes, just like this. So next step, I'll teach you how to open the butterfly valve. You can see the two different screws over here. First step, you have to remove the screw. And then you can see, yes, something like this. And then you just need to use a clockwise direction. Yes, to switch it, and then the butterfly valve is open. The oil will get inside of the radiator. So when we finish all the radiators assembly, it will be just like this. And please watch upstairs. Okay, after we assemble the whole radiators, you have to connect this thing upstairs. Yes, just like that. And then after that, our radiators assemble is done. Thank you so much for watching.